所以动作的分解 ，sing。Okay, sing the song forever to the lamb. Lamb 是这样 with your middle finger in the middle. And those who believe 是这样 Okay, name 是两个手这样然后 name cross on top of each other. Angel 是点一下这个是翅膀这个是 angel Okay, if you've been forgiven 呢就是这样两个手指在这个手掌心这样 If you've been forgiven If you've been redeemed 是这样然后 walk in freedom 是这样所以 redeem 跟 freedom 有点像 OK, redeem 是这样 freedom 是这样 If you bear his name and then there's an amen in there. Amen is just like that. That's amen. Okay? And at the end there's a king of kings. King of kings 是这个 and a sash, king of kings. Okay.